Want to create this floating effect in CapCut PC? Let me show you how you can do it. So what you need? First of all, you need a video background, like this one, and an object that you want to make it float. So first of all, let's bring our background to our timeline, like this, and the object above it. This is with a green screen, and we can remove it by going into remove background, and we're gonna add a chroma key to it. We're gonna increase a little bit the intensity and clean up edge, so the edges will be without green. Then we're going into animation tab, and we're gonna add a slide up animation. We're gonna make it 0.7 seconds long, and after, what we need to do is to go to effects and add the play pendulum effect, like this. And now it looks like this. To make it more normal, we're gonna decrease the twist, and that add a little bit of strength, and speed and sharpen will remain the same, and the effect look like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.